So last night we took a short on Euro USD. It was a little dub. We can see right here, hit 135 profit. Yeah, and if you guys watched my last video, it was exactly the same strategy that I used to take the setup. So let's go over my daily bias because I'm liking the new strategy. I'm liking what it's. It's not even that much of a new strategy. I'm liking what it's offering though, like the way I'm looking at shifting structures now. But we can see the weekly's bearish, which is good because we broke structure. So yeah, weekly's bearish. We want to look for a trade. We want to look for a trade that's in the same direction as the high time frame trend. The daily is obviously bearish. We've been breaking structure, and we just recently broke structure off this low right here. Let me turn my brightness up so you guys can see. And we also respected a daily fair value gap. So I was like, cool, we're most definitely going lower, bro, because everything is saying lower. Everything is saying bearish as well. So yeah, we just wanted to look for shorts today. 4 hour, we get more confirmation by the fact that we broke structure to the downside right here. And we're also respecting a 4 hour fair value gap. So all of our high time frames are bearish. So I didn't look for long today. I was like, cool, I'm only shorting. I shouldn't look for anything less of a short. We can see on the 1 hour, we have a 1 hour fair value gap right here that gets respected. And yeah, the 1 hour was somewhat bullish, but I just looked at it like a bullish retracement to go lower. And then 15 minute, this is where price action starts coming quite nicely. We can see that we broke structure to the downside right here and that we were respecting this 15-minute fair value gap. And you probably could have entered there, but I didn't enter until we came up and retested this 15-minute fair value gap right here. And then scrolling down into the 5 minute, this is where I look for my shift in structure. So we can already see that we broke structure to the downside right here on the 15 minute. What I've seen happen more recently is trend line breaks. We can see that we have like a level of support on this trend line and then we break through it. So as soon as this happened, I was like, cool, I want to look for a short. We got breaker structures, trend line break. We're making lower lows, lower highs and lower lows now, lower highs and lower lows. We're obviously going to be continuing bearish. Yeah, we can see that we come back up into this 15-minute fair value gap. We take out liquidity. Why is it like this? Why are my templates at? We can see that we take out liquidity right there. And we also reject off the 50% EQ. So honestly, you probably could have entered on Turtle Soup. Probably could have entered on the rejection of EQ. But I waited a little bit later because I think I came into this like a little... I just didn't enter right here. So then I saw this 5-minute fair value gap. I was like, cool, I'm going to look for a short stop loss at this high. And then we're going to be targeting sell side liquidity today because we are bearish. We get a 1-to-1 risk to reward. And yeah, the only bad thing about this trade is that we did break structure right here to the upside on the 5 minute. And we are holding a bullish 5-minute fair value gap. But regardless, price taps into here, closes bearish, and then boom, runs to TP. So yeah, it wasn't a crazy trade. It wasn't like a crazy risk to reward, but I was confident in the setup. It followed my trading plan. It followed like a shift in structure. It followed the high time frame trend. Had a run on liquidity in the opposite direction. So I can't complain today. It was a good trade in my books, and yeah, that's it. Bam.